The introduction of Cele, of Vilakazi, and Ndu made a huge difference in that last third. They made a huge difference. And if maybe they were introduced just after the second half, maybe during 50 minutes or 60 minutes, three of them, I think they should have scored and tried to equalize or maybe try and win that game, because they influenced that game so much. They played beautifully, they combined well. You see how Cele holded that midfielder, how he managed to win the balls and try and pass well, the accuracy from him, and the influence of Vilakazi and the bravery from Du inside the box was so amazing to witness that. But sometimes we get to see that kind of performance when you are chasing to equalize. But I so wish how they played, they will continue in their next game with that kind of performance, with that kind of influence. But what I like about Kaizer Chiefs' performance, watching them in all the previous games, they enter the box. They are so influential in the last third. They are the balls that are dangerous. And even today, I don't think that they played bad. They played poor. But it's a pity that they didn't score. And they defended poorly. The first goal, McCarthy should have defended that ball better. And it was a beautiful cross, finding Bradley Hober inside the box. The man that has the target, the man that has an eye for a goal, a well-experienced striker that we expect him to score, finding him inside the box. And I knew that this is going to be a difficult encounter. They are both on top of the log. They are both trying to maintain their kind of performance. The results, they want 3 points. They want to settle for a